Men's doubles po tayo right now. Again, as what my partner mentioned, we have Layton and Dan for Pickle Farm and Blue and Jamie for N1 Infinity right now. First point goes to N1 Infinity. Grabe, the dinks and then the speed up. Nagnet yung ball. Medyo tumaas. And nakuha. Yeah, that speed up to Layton's backhand was unexpected. Another point goes to N1 Infinity. We are now at 3-0. Lamang ang N1 Infinity. Ball is out. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. We are on a streak. N1 Infinity coming in hot, taking all of the points right now.
Good thinking battle.
Oh,
pero
grabe
sadly,
yung pag-dink nila doon, partner.
di lang nakasabay si Layton with that backhand dink.
Oh. Blue trying to reset that ball.
Just short.
1-5 tayo. Hey! That placement, partner. Nasa gitna si Dan and nakita ni Blue yung butas.
Wala siyang masyadong power, no, partner?
Yes, wala masyadong power, but then the precision, trying to fake that drive.
Good judgment by Jamie. And I think yesterday nakita natin si Jamie, no, sa Celebrity Showdown.
Yes, sir. And ngayon, grabe. Tournament hungry pala si Jamie, no?
Yes, very competitive. Well, with this skill level naman siguro, di ka na maglalaro ng OP, maghahanap ka na lang ng tournament non-stop. There's a bit of a confusion on the court. Yes, the ball was out. Current score is 2-7 with Dan serving the ball. Let's see a replay of that. Grabe, down the line.
Partner, ang masasabi ko lang dito, nakahanap ang Pickle Farm ng katapat nila sa aggression.
May mas aggressive pa pala sa Pickle Farm, no? Turns out, dito sa Duper 16 na category. Just failing to get that speed up in si Jamie. Now, current score is 4-8 in favor of Pickle Farm, with Dan serving the ball.
That backhand roll coming from Layton did not go over the net. Hindi siya masyadong bended. Nakatayo pa siya.
Uy, outside. Outside the return. Pickle Farm slowly inching in for parity, no? 6-9 na ang score with Dan serving the ball again. Good Ernie by
Grabe
Jamie.
yung Ernie ni Jamie.
Pang highlight reel. Let's see it again.
And bam! 10-6 tayo. N1 Infinity leading the match. And the ball is in, partner.
Yeah.
11-6 tayo. Change court kaagad. Ang bilis ng match natin ngayon, partner.
Pero at that height, partner, would you hit that ball?
I would hit that ball. Kasi mabilis yung reflexes ko, partner.
Yeah,
Feeling ko dapat kukuhain ko siya.
Yeah.
Hindi. Bibase mo rin kasi yan, partner. Nakita mo pagka-hit niya ng bola, hindi naman malakas eh.
Yeah.
Mahina lang yung pagka-hit niya. So, most definitely, it will land sa likod.
Better safe than sorry, ano?
Yes, sir. Kaya ang tanong ko, minsan pag may nagtatanong sa akin, mag-out ba yung bola? We'll never know. Kasi kinuha natin eh.
Hindi ka pala fun kasama sa OP, no, partner? Alright. Going back to the game, 11-6. N1 Infinity leading. Tignan natin. Blue is currently serving the ball. Nag-backfire ang offense. Let's see a replay of that. Yeah,
Bam!
I think Blue was trying to blitz yung Pickle Farm team. Pero nag-backfire. A lot of encouraging words from courtside. Coaches, team members, family and friends ng both teams are watching us here at courtside. And if you're watching our live on Facebook, please drop a comment, whoever you're supporting between these two teams.
N1 Infinity iniiwan ng Pickle Farm. 13 now. 6 points ang lead nila. Grabe ang placement ni Blue ng bola.
Can we see a replay of that? Grabe, oh.
The way that Blue went lower para smash back yung bola. Timeout ngayon ng Pickle Farm.
Yeah, sa comment section natin, bumubuhos yung support for Pickle Farm. Baka yung team ng N1 Infinity hindi alam na merong stream ang Pickleton. So,
what if i-share nila?
yes, what if i-share nyo sa mga friends nyo from N1 Infinity? We want to hear you from the comment section, no? And of course, team na yung mga fans na nagsusupport sa Pickle Farm, keep your support coming. We'll let them know here at courtside.
Okay, so it looks like their strategy right now is to change yung kanilang yung kanilang sides. Layton is now at the right and Dan is now at the left. And ang sabi, if it won't work, then at least we tried. If it won't work, pwede daw sila mag-stacking.
Pero one thing I overheard nga, patience. It's all about patience sometimes. Pag medyo nanggigil ka, nawalan ka ng patience dun sa rally, error mo, mabibigay sa point yung kalaban.
Totoo yan, partner. We are now at 14-7.
Okay, we're gonna see it. Oh, we almost saw a dinking battle, pero grabe yung cross dink ni Blue.
8-point lead by N1 Infinity.
Nakahanap talaga ng katapat ng Pickle Farm with N1 Infinity, no? The aggression, the control, the patience. N1 has it. That's why they're leading.
Ito
with
pa
8
partner.
points.
N1 Infinity ay galing sa Dream Breaker.
Yes! Pagod pa sila from Dream Breaker niyan. So kung nakita natin kanina yung Pickle Farm from 1 loss, turning it into a 3-1 victory to secure the finals. Etong N1 Infinity galing to sa Dream Breaker. They really fought for this final spot.
And it looks like they're in it to win it, partner.
Yes. Parang game show yun, brother. A minute to win it pala yun.
We are now at 17 to 18, 9-point lead, partner. Kinakabahan ako.
Timeout! Joke. Tayo na yung magkakall ng timeout talaga sa kaba. Whoa!
Dan was ready for that. And naibalik niya.
Yes. Of course, 1v1 battles, no? We are welcome to that. Ang sarap niyang panoorin din. Lalo na nasa kitchen silang dalawa. Good dinks. Again.
Dan keeps on losing sa dinking battles.
we're hearing courtside, tsaka dito sa comment section, kapit lang Pickle Farm. There is always a chance to catch up.
Third shot, let's go!
From what we saw earlier, they definitely have the skill. Kaya nilang humabol. Let's see if they have what it takes. Or else, mapupunta 2 matches sa N1 Infinity. Almost an ATP.
Almost, partner, but not quite. Pasok yung cross na shot ni Jamie, and Layton tried to chase the ball and do an ATP, however was just short of the line. N1 Infinity is now at 20 to 10. 1 point na lang and they will take home this match. Kumakapit ang Pickle Farm. 11-20 tayo ngayon. And again, once we reach 20, meron tayong freeze. So N1 Infinity will only get to win if they are serving the ball.
Yes. All the preparation, all the drills, the training sessions, this is all where it boils down to, no? If they can actually hold on.
Ngayon mo, isumpa yung coach mo.
Good recovery by Dan!
Tignan natin kung kakapit nga siya. And
Buhay
buhay
pa!
pa!
Oh! Side out! Grabe! Na rally! This is what we came here for, partner. This is Duper 16.
Partner, paano nabalik ni Jamie yun? What kind of sorcery is this,
That's
partner?
pure athleticism, partner. The cornerstone of Air Jays. Baka sponsoran ko na si Dan.
Partner, 20-11 tayo. Let's see if N1 Infinity can secure their final point.
Ooh!
Mukhang hindi pa, partner. Kumakapit tayo. 12-20 tayo ngayon, partner. Advantage talaga to, no, sa opposing team kapag naka-freeze yung score nung kabila. Eh.
Oh my God. Grabe, nakakakaba. Sadly, hindi pwede sa pickleball yung mag-coin toss na lang, no? Pwede ba yon? Alright, current score is 12-20. Now Layton serving the ball. Mukhang nag-lock in na tong Pickle Farm, partner.
Tignan natin, partner. Nag-lock in sila or nawala si N1 Infinity? What do you think, partner?
I think nag-lock in si N1. The caliber ng N1 Infinity throughout the match, hindi nawawala yung edge nila eh. Now Pickle Farm is catching up. Picking up the slack.
Okay, side out tayo ngayon. Again, 20-13.
Kung pwede lang natin napakita ang audience ngayon, grabe lahat legit nakakapit sa kanilang mga seats, no? Tsaka sa mga barricade dito sa Pickle Ground PH. Oh! Side out!
May pag-asa pa, partner. 14-20 tayo. The crowd is hyping up Layton and Dan sa ngayon.
Let's see the comment section, pare. Like, ano na bang sinasabi ng mga tao sa Facebook? Ah, yes, habol. Habol yan, kapit lang. From Ivy Medallo Polero.
Okay, side out na naman, partner. Pickle Farm is taking this point by point.
Slowly but surely. Tingin mo, partner, madidefend ba ng Pickle Farm tong next attack ng N1 Infinity?
Tignan natin, partner. Sabi nga nila, piso-piso lang. See? Sabi na sa'yo, partner.
Piso-piso lang. Isa-isa lang.
15-20 na tayo, partner. 15-20. Nahihirapan si N1 Infinity to close out the match. The ball was out. Side out tayo. They're trying to maintain their composure to get that remaining 5 points.
Partner, 5 na lang.
Everyone patiently waiting.
Yes!
And tumaas yung bola. Nag 16-20 tayo.
Come on! Grabe yung celebration ng crowd. Along with Pickle Farm, 16-20. Humahabol na pa isa-isa ang Pickle Farm. Now Layton is currently serving the ball. Uy.
Okay. 2016 tayo. N1 Infinity. Pickle Farm trying to keep their cool.
Grabe talaga yung placement
Sinasabi
ni
is
Jamie doon, no?
mag-aggressive daw sila.
Yeah, sinasabi ng coach ng Pickle Farm, be aggressive na this time around. You have nothing to lose. Ika nga.
Except this match.
Yes, except this match. Of course.
Oh!
But you see,
Simple lang yun, partner. Hindi aggressive yun, Pickle Farm getting 17-20. 3 points remaining.
hindi aggressive yung shot, pero yung mindset, partner, it was aggressive. Good shot coming from Dan. 17-20 is the score. 3-point lead na lang ang N1 Infinity. Hindi pa nila matapos ang Pickle Farm.
Looks like may timeout tayo coming from N1 Infinity. Grabe, partner, ang intense.
Cut to commercial mo. Ako din, gusto ko rin magpahinga muna. I need water. Joke lang. Alright, partner, from what we saw, how do you think this will go? Nakita natin, if we're a numbers person, in the past couple of serves, sino yung nagka-come out as victorious dun sa mga rallies na yun?
Pickle Farm, partner. Pero, kasi napupunta pa rin yung service sa N1 Infinity.
Yeah.
So, meaning, kada 1 point nila, makukuha ulit ni N1 Infinity, but because they can't get a point, hindi sila nananalo. And then, biglang babawi si Pickle Farm.
Yeah, talagang...
So, kumbaga, papagurin muna namin kayo, you get back that serve, And then sa service nyo, kukuhain ulit namin yan. Plus 1 point pa kami.
Yes. Alam mo, Cinderella story talaga to pag nanalo ang Pickle Farm. 17-20 is the current score. Teka lang, meron
Hindi pa kasi
yatang-
sinasabi yung score, partner.
warning yan, I think, di ba? Hindi naman ganun ka-strict, I think. Okay. They're asking if they're ready.
Mukhang may nagko-contest dito, partner. I think they let him off with a warning.
Grabe yung wide angle dinks ni ano, no? Ni Blue.
Grabe yung ball placement ni Blue, partner.
Yeah.
And unable to return that coming from Layton. N1 Infinity gets the ball back. Again, it's their chance to finish the match.
Nag-rhyme ka dun, partner. Alright, 2017 N1 Infinity match point serve.
Partner, nanginginig na ako. Ang puso ko, ang bilis na ng tibok. Sino ang magwawagi? And
just
N1
missing
Infinity secures the remaining 1 point, getting 21-17 versus Pickle Farm. Now their standings is 2-0 with N1 Infinity leading. It's now time for our mixed doubles, partner.
Alam mo, again, kahit natalo yung Pickle Farm doon, great showing from the team. Pinuso nila yun. Alam mo kung saan nag-start yung, yung lamang na 20? Hinabol nila?
Di ba sa 11?
11.
11, no?
They got 6 more points bago sila na natalo doon. So, talaga naman,